Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. In today chemistry class we will continue P block element. And student, we are studying important reactions. As I have told you in earlier or in the beginning of starting chapter that P block elements are divided in three parts. One is the reasoning questions, another is important structure, and last one is the important reaction. So student, today we will see reactions asked in various year. Okay, now let's start. First is the reaction. Complete the reaction. Complete the reaction. First is P4 plus H2O. Second is HCF4 plus O2F2. Okay. Now you have to complete this, and this one is asked in 2014 All India CBSE. All India CBSE 2014. Okay. What will be the answer? First of all, you think how will you complete? In this type of reaction you have to balance also. ये रिएक्शन में हमें बैलेंस भी करना होता है। इसको नहीं कि हमने रिएक्शन कंप्लीट कर दिया और बैलेंस नहीं है तो भी गलत कट जाएंगे, इसलिए इसको बैलेंस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अब यहाँ पे P4 और वाटर का रिएक्शन देखें, होगा कि नहीं पहले ये तो सोचिए, होगा कि नहीं। याद है कि हम लोगों ने बताया था कि वाइट फास्फोरस जो होता है बहुत ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव होता है, लेकिन ये वाटर से रिएक्शन नहीं करता है, इसलिए वाइट फास्फोरस को वाटर में रखा जाता है। तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? नो रिएक्शन। यहाँ होगा नो रिएक्शन। ठीक है, क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि फास्फोरस वाटर से रिएक्शन नहीं किया करता है, इसीलिए फास्फोरस को जो है कि वाटर के अंदर रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन देखते हैं। यहाँ पे बन जाएगा HCF6 प्लस O2। तो कंप्लीट हो गया रिएक्शन। नोट डाउन। नाउ वी विल सी नेक्स्ट CaF2 CaF2 sorry Ca3P2 plus H2O and fourth one is Cu plus H2SO4 COM. Okay, these are the two reactions, and both are asked in 2014 CBSE Delhi. 2014. Okay, 2014. What will be? Here will be 2PS3 plus 3CaOH whole twice. Now you can balance 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 6 and is 6H2O. Okay, this is the balance reaction. Now CuSO4 plus SO2 plus H2O. Now you have to balance. Here you have to put 2, here will be also 2. Okay, this is the complete reaction. Note down. Now you will see next, fifth reaction. Reaction of 2Ag plus TCl5. Okay, TCl5 and CaF2 in SO4, CaF2 plus H2SO4. Okay, this one is also from the CBSE 2014. Okay, in another set. Okay, what will be 2AgCl plus TCl3, and here will be CaSO4 plus 2HF. This will be the product. Okay, now note down. Have you noted? Oh. Reactions are very simple, but you have to pay attention. Complete the following. Next, reaction number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reaction 7 reaction. Reaction of carbon with concentrated H2SO4. Carbon with concentrated H2SO4. Next, 8. Reaction of HCF2 plus H2O. Asked in CBSE 2011. Okay, what will be next? Here will be CO2 plus 2SO2 plus H2O. Okay, here is 4 oxygen, here is 4 oxygen, here is 2 oxygen. Okay, but here is sulfur is 2, then you have to balance. Okay, here will be 2:2. Now reaction of HCF2 with H2O. Here will be Xe plus 2HF plus O2. Here will be 2, here will be 2, here will be 2, here will be 4. This is the balance equation. Note down. You can see here. Here is xenon 2, xenon 2. Fluorine is 4, hydrogen is 4, fluorine, hydrogen is 4, oxygen 2. This way you have to balance. रिएक्शन बैलेंस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर रिएक्शन बैलेंस नहीं हुए तो हम फुल मार्क्स नहीं पा सकते. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल सी 9 is PS3 plus HgCl2. PS3 plus HgCl2 and 10 Br2 in excess plus F2. Okay, complete this, and this reaction asked in 2011 in foreign CBSE foreign 2011. Okay, what will be the answer? Here will be Hg3T2 plus 6HCl. Okay, then we have to balance 3 here and here 2. Okay, here will be BrF 5. Here will be 2. Here will be 5. This is the balance equation. Note down. Next, we will see here after 10, 11. 11 is ammonia with excess chlorine. NH3 plus Cl2 excess. Next, 12 is HCF6 plus 2H2O. HCF6 plus 2H2O. Okay, this is asked in 2000 CBSE Delhi 2017. Okay, what will happen here? If excess, here will be MCl3 plus 3HCl. Okay, here will be 3. If ammonia is in chlorine is in excess, then product will be NCl3. If ammonia is excess, then ammonium chloride. Then product will be ammonium chloride. Now HCF6 plus 2H2O. What will be the product? Okay, what will be the product? Here will be HCOF2 plus 4HF. Okay, next, note down this. These are the important reactions which are asked in different year in CBSE. Now next one is the complete the reaction. I hope learned well. 13. Question 13. Reaction of Cl2 plus H2O plus H2O and 14 HCF4 F4 plus 3H2O HCF6 plus 3H2O. Okay, what will be this question asked in CBSE 2017 in Delhi, also in Delhi. Okay, what will be the product? Here will be HCl plus HOCl, reaction in balance. Then here HCO3 plus 6HF. This is the product. note down. Now 15 and 16. What is the reaction? Reaction of F2 plus 2Cl minus and 16 reaction of 2 HCF2 plus 2H2O. Okay, what will be happen here? What will be the product? Here will be 2F minus plus Cl2. Okay, note down. Here will be 2 Xc plus 4HF plus O2 2017. Okay, 2017 में पूछा हुआ CBSE में. Next 17 reaction of ammonium dichromate, sodium dichromate, P2 Cr2 7 heat and 18 is S3PO3 heated. Both are heated. What will happen? Okay, what will be happen? Here is ammonium dichromate. Here is orthophosphorus acid. When ammonium dichromate is heated, here will be N2 Cr2O3 plus H2O, and here will be 4H2O. Okay, this is the reaction. Next, here will be 2 S3PO4 here is 4, here will be 3, then here will be PS3. Orthophosphorus acid converted into orthophosphoric acid plus phosphine. Okay, note down 18. This both question, both are asked in 2017 in different set of CBSE. Okay, our next reaction is conc H2SO4, I think it is 90, H2SO4 plus Cu and 20 SO2 plus H2O. Okay, both are asked in 2017. Okay, in different set, and you have seen that CuSO4 plus SO2 plus H2O. Okay, if you have to balance, here will be 2, here will be 2. Okay, similarly here will be H2SO4. here is SO3 सॉल्यूट। ये रिएक्शन हम लोग प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में पढ़ते हैं कि जब हम वाटर को पास करते हैं SO3 के ऊपर तो H2SO4 में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट 21 HCl is added to MnO2 plus HCl and 22 PCl5 is heated. PCl5 heated. Okay. What will be reaction? This reaction is asked in 2017 also. All 2070 reactions in the different sets. Okay. Now see here. Here will be MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O, 2H2O. Okay. Now here will be 4 HCl. Here will be 2H2O. And when we will heat PCl5, here will be PCl3 plus Cl2. Okay. Note down. This way, student, we saw the whole reaction, different type of reaction asked in different years. One more reaction, P4 23 P4 plus NaNOH, very important reaction. It is aqueous solution plus H2O. Okay. And next is the 24. What is 24? I minus plus H2O plus O3. What will be reaction? Okay. Note down. Now see here. Here will be first PS3 plus 2 NaP H2PO2. Okay. Now reaction 2 here will be 2. Okay. Phosphine and hydrogen, number of hydrogen 2 and 2 4, 2 to the 4. Okay. PS3, here is PS3 and here should be 3. Now we have to balance because P is 4. Now see 2 is 6, here is 3, here is 2, 5. Okay, 3 oxygen. Now reaction is balanced. Here will be 3H2O. Okay. Now see where everything is balanced now. Here will be 2OH minus I2 plus O2. This is the complete reaction. Okay. Now we will see one more reaction. We have completed near about all, but some reactions are remaining. Now question number 25. I hope 25. reaction of P4 with the SO2Cl2, and next reaction of Fe2 plus Fe3 plus SO2 plus H2O plus H2O. Okay, this reaction is asked in 2011. What will be the product? 4Cl5 4PCl5 plus 10 SO2 Okay, product will be 10 SO2, then here will be also 10. Okay, now in this case Fe2 plus 4H plus, okay, plus SO4 2 minus, this will be the reaction. Okay, now in this case HCO3 plus 6HF. Okay, these are the reaction. Now we see some more reaction. Okay, question number 28 is the reaction. PCl5 react with the water, 5 react with H2O, and 29 reaction 29 is PCl3. 29 is HCF2 plus PF5, and next is the 30 NaN3. Okay, is heated. Okay, now you have to complete this. Okay, complete this one. Here will be P H3PO3 plus 3HCl. Here will be 3H2O. Okay, here will be HCF plus and PF6 minus, and when we heat this, what will happen? 2Na plus 3N2, nitrogen gas will be evolved. Note down. I hope I have complete reaction. I have given 30 reactions. This way I completed P block elements revision. Now in the next class we will start revision of D block elements. Student, how we have make notes, जैसे हमने नोट बनाए हैं बस वैसे ही आपको पढ़ने हैं. जो रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस हैं उन रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन से हमारा रीजन असर्शन बन सकता है, और जो हमारे स्ट्रक्चर वाले हैं, जो रिएक्शन वाले हैं, इनसे ऑब्जेक्टिव भी बन सकते हैं. ठीक है, रिएक्शन एक कोई दे करके 4 ऑप्शन दे दिए ये बनेंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं है. ये रिएक्शंस को हमें ध्यान दे करके पढ़ना है कि ये क्वेश्चन MCQ में भी आ सकते हैं. तो हमें जो हमारा रीजनिंग वाला क्वेश्चन था उसे ये ध्यान रखना है कि वो क्वेश्चन हमारा रीजन असर्शन वाले में हो सकता है, वो MCQ में भी हो सकता है. स्ट्रक्चर वाले भी इसी तरह से MCQ में हो सकते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर बना दिया, नाम पूछ लिया, या नाम दे दिया, स्ट्रक्चर के 4 ऑप्शन हो गए। ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी होगी। और रिएक्शन में आधा रिएक्शन दे दिया, 4 ऑप्शन दे दिए, तो हमने इसको पूरी तरह से 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया था। अब ये कंप्लीट हो गया है, रिवाइज हो गया है। अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट को रिवाइज करेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस